Hey guys, trying something a little bit different today. I started this project pretty abruptly, at least on YouTube we did. But I'd been thinking about it for a couple months. And I thought I'd share with you guys some of the planning that goes into some of these projects at least. Anyhow, you can see I went ahead and mounted them to this poster board here after the coffee incident. Not going to blame anybody. Here's the so you get plan view here. Then we've got next to it to the right, we've got the frame plan. This is basically my plywood cut plan here for the body. And then here's some of the suspension details. Really, these lower sketches are really just for me to make sure that I understand everything in 3 dimensions before we start hacking metal. So here's the front. You get an idea what we're talking about, and then I kind of spelled out at least my initial idea where we think we're going to get some of those parts. Again, here's the rear. Same idea. This is my calculations of all the gearing. So, and, we're still kind of waiting on the epoxy on the fiberglass to get good and hard. I gave it an initial scuff sanding, but want to be able to get after it a little bit, and then we'll prime it out. So we'll be showing you that in a few days here, but I thought you'd appreciate some insight into how these projects are planned on my end. So, hey, we'll catch up with you soon. If you like what you're seeing here, don't forget to like and subscribe. We really appreciate the encouragement, and thanks to some of you guys really for the kind comments. Keeps me going. Talk soon.